So how to break up with a woman in one day and feel good and not feel sad? Is that possible for a man? Can this actually happen? Yes, it can. And I've worked with a lot of men who got dumped, who are experiencing a breakup. And this is something we've all experienced and all probably failed miserably at moving forward from a breakup gracefully or the whole process. Now, look, if you break up with a woman, it's not so difficult for a man. They've decided, nah, this is this isn't for me. They're not going to fret a lot over it. It's going to be over. But if a woman turns around and dumps your butt, that's devastating for a man, even if he just kind of liked her. It's not really our zone. For a woman, they're they're real experience with the up and down and the emotion and the sadness and the back to happiness. And because of this, it seems like they're able to turn themselves around from a breakup very quickly. They'll experience some up and down emotions and then they're right back. They're feeling good. For a man whose pursuit is just happiness and the up and down realm of emotions isn't really his zone, it's going to be different and it can be devastating. So, what do you do to bypass this devastation, interject some reality into the situation, and move on gracefully, like a true gentleman, without a lot of the drama and the problems and the back and forth and the big mess that can come with a breakup that isn't handled well? So, what do you do? Yeah. This just works so well. It just will minimize that drawn out experience. Because here's the thing that men do. When we break up with a girl, she dumps us, we suddenly only remember the good times, only remember what was wonderful, only remember what we're going to miss and all the wonderful things and the things she did that were right and the bedroom situation and these little things. We're going to pick out that time we went to Jamaica. You're going to pick out all those little good things and you're going to focus on those, and all the terrible stuff is you're just like, I need her, I want her, but you've been rejected. Mommy doesn't want you anymore. Whatever the psychology that's going on there, man, you get it right in the gut. It's like the defensive line of the Eagles. Everybody lined up and took a turn punching you in the stomach. And it's crazy because it can, sometimes it's a girl you're not even crazy about. Sometimes it is a girl you're crazy about. And then you start to feel devastated. So many men do this and make this mistake of discarding the bad and focusing on the good. And they increase the duration of the pain. The pain they experience. Yeah, the pain was coming back to me that second. They increase that length of that pain. So when let's diminish that. Let's do something that works. A girl breaks up with you, you immediately have to do this. You ready? You immediately have to get out a piece of paper and a pen, and on that piece of paper, you write down all the bad stuff about her and about your relationship. Yeah. It's not going to take that long, half an hour tops, to save you days, weeks, months of pain. This brings it all down to a short moment for you instead of this long, drawn out pain of a breakup. You will not have to go through the devastation if you do this. Don't skip this. Like, oh, I'll think about it in my brain. I'll think about the bad stuff. No, you have to write it down on a piece of paper. Yeah, she did this. She made goo-goo eyes at my friends. She was, manipulative with text messages. She didn't show up when she said she would. She wasn't dependable. She didn't really do much for you. She didn't bring anything to the table. She did this. She did that. She did her parents, blah, blah, blah. Whatever it was that she did, take some time and write it all down. Start at the beginning. all the way up to the present. Take all those specific situations, you know, did she never admit she was wrong? Did she have zero accountability? Whatever it was, write down the situation so you can remember how you felt. Write down all the awful stuff. Don't hold it back. Make it clear and concise. Make a bullet point list. Go through so make it legible because you're going to read this over again. As you detach from a relationship, those memories and those good times are going to come back into your brain. You're going to be like, oh, and you're going to feel that sadness. When you do, you get this single sheet of paper that you wrote down all the negative stuff, all the things she did, the way she emasculated you, the way she was a terrible girlfriend, the way you felt there was no future for you because she did A, B, and C, and D. You felt like you couldn't depend on her. You felt like you didn't know whether she was telling the truth or not. All those things. If it's there on that piece of paper and you're starting like, oh, I miss her so much when you cry, and you said, get the piece of paper, read it, and it's your reality check for what really happened during that relationship. Because, as I said earlier, as men, we are going to gloss over all that stuff and only think of the good times. Yes. This is hugely simple, but hugely powerful. And here's what happens. You start to bypass the sadness and start to feel more self-confident again. Because someone rejected you, so you're feeling insecure about yourself. Me, I'm wonderful. I'm not wonderful. I'm terrible. I'm not even worth. I'm some piece of, yeah. I'm something you step down in the park. Look at me. I'm nothing. This piece of paper is your reality. And so you read your piece of paper and you go on with your day. Okay, you're moving on with your life. You're doing all those things you need to do to move on. It pops up again. Have your piece of paper. Read it through. It'll take you a minute or two. But the power of this is immense. You're like, oh yeah, she did do that. Oh yeah, I should have actually broken up with her 2 years ago. Oh yeah, I let this slide and I let this red flag go. Oh yeah. Then she starts to be not so wonderful in your mind. And there you go. You started to get your power back. You're starting to get your power back. Understand that, look, if you're leveling up as a man, you're on your game with business, you're going to the gym, you're doing stuff to improve yourself while this is happening, and then she dumps you, understand that this is part of reality shifting to align with your new path forward. She's not the right girl for you. So pieces are moving in place to align with where you're going with your life. And she's not really part of the identity you're creating for yourself as a successful man. That's just the truth. As you step away and as time creates distance, you're going to see like, yeah, she wasn't even really right for me. She was kind of holding me back in this way and that way. There was a lot of a distraction. There was a lot of drama, a lot of stuff that kept me from what I'm pursuing, but I'm still trying to pursue that. I'm still going in that direction. Reality is shifting and aligning for you and who you are becoming. Yeah, it's a crazy concept, but it's really true. You end up discarding, sometimes as you're going on a new path of success, some of your old friends, they don't fit anymore. And that girl you were dating, yeah, she doesn't really fit. She could sense that too, because women are so emotionally intuitive. She could tell that you weren't right for her because of this reality you're creating, because of this direction you're going in. So you feel sad, but the truth is, it's kind of a gift when a girl does this. It's kind of a gift. And if you read your piece of paper with all the things that weren't right, you're going to realize as time goes on that this is a gift and you didn't have to dump her. It's great this way. You don't have a lot of the turmoil that could happen if she felt rejected. it's a great way for you to move on. So you're feeling sadness, you're remembering the good times, you're doing all this male stuff that men always do after a breakup. Get that piece of paper, and that interrupts it all. Read through, put it down, and move on with your life. You're going to find, as the days go on, those thoughts of how good and how awesome your relationship was, it's just going to go away. It's just going to fade. And you have to get out there. You have to meet new girls. You have to hang out with your friends. You have to do all those things at the same time. Keep leveling up. Keep going to the gym. Keep improving your business. You know, your life. Have your life going. That and this piece of paper, you're going to be golden. Some of you are thinking, yeah, I'll just think about those things that John suggested. I'll think about, the things that I didn't like about her or that didn't work out. Nah, that's not going to work. Take a moment and write it down black and white on a piece of paper. That's going to make all the difference in the world. I had a lot more difficulty with breakups before I started to employ this technique. And it just kind of happened naturally. And when I started to do this, the reality of the situation came in. And I realized, oh God, I'm just so much better off. And the duration I spent feeling bad about a breakup or the end and all that stuff just shortened and shortened as the reality came in. This piece of paper allows the reality to come in. And look, if she's dumping you because you were a jerk, you made all these mistakes that I talk about in my videos, you're too agreeable, you're too attentive, you're doing all these things that she doesn't really like. You're overdoing it. You're too clingy. If you're doing all this stuff, learn from this. Be honest with yourself. And if you were a jerk, take responsibility for it. But if this is a situation where it didn't work out, she kind of wasn't the best quality girl and she gets rid of you, get your piece of paper out, write this stuff down. And you will find that this sadness that you're experiencing and the length that you're experiencing are going to diminish as reality that you've written down on this piece of paper come in. And those emotions that you have trouble feeling are going to start to settle down. And as you get more involved in your life moving forward, it's just going to drift away into powder, into dust, into fog that just recedes back across the ocean and it's gone. And you're back and go out there and date and find someone who's more compatible with you. Okay, everyone. I hope you got something out of that. Do this. Do this and write us back in the comments and let us know your experience. Did this work? This has worked for so many people I know. And I'm really happy to share this with everyone. So give it a go. Give it a try. Okay, everyone? Go ahead and hit this little red circle with my picture in it. Subscribe if you got something out of this video. We love having you along for the ride. Hit the bell for notifications. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And we'll see you in the next video.